Okay, so I just received this cake baking pan, cake form, whatever you want to call it, and I just gave it a quick wash. But basically, this is the bottom part, and then this is the form. You literally just put it on, and then it tightens very, very easily, just like that. It's all tight, nothing comes out to the side. It's really, really cool. And this is also non-stick, but we're still gonna be, and then we're going to be making a cake today. So I already made the batter. I'm going to be pouring it in here, and this is also non-stick, but we are going to use parchment paper on the bottom at least. Alright, so I just cut out a piece of parchment paper. I'm going to set it here. And then secure it, and as you can see, the parchment paper is nicely in there. And this is an almond cake, so we're gonna put some almonds on here on the top. Okay, so I just realized the cake I made was supposed to be for an 8-inch baking sheet, but it's okay, we're gonna roll with it. This is a 10-inch one, and we're gonna see how much it rises. All right, the oven is ready for us to put it in. All right, here's the cake. As you can see, it didn't fully rise because it was supposed to be a smaller cake. It would have been perfect otherwise, but I put a fork in it and it came out super smooth, so it's baked to perfection. So now we're going to wait for it to let it cool down. Okay, so it's cooled down enough. Now we can separate this part. As you can see, it's super easy, nothing stuck on the edges. It looks very, very clean. And here is our cake. Okay, so I'm just going to take the cake out nice and carefully. And as you can see, nothing is left on the bottom either. And now I just have to wash it. So the instructions say it's definitely better to hand wash it and not put it in the dishwasher. And as you can see, it's very easily, any kind of residue comes off really easily, and you can just let it dry on the side. Same with this part. Super, super easy. So yeah, I definitely recommend this cake pan. That was a great experience. Nothing stuck on it, and it worked really well. So yeah, go get yours.